Okay, so I am currently in the process of moving my beehives. If you don't know the role, if you're moving your beehives to a different location, it's either 3 feet or 3 miles, and I'm moving them from there to there. So it's going to take me a while to get them there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a pallet right there, measure it 3 feet, and get them moved. Okay, I don't know if that video cut out. Basically, what I did was I put a pallet right next to where I had the beehives, and I had a piece of wood that was cut out to 3 feet, and I kind of guesstimated a little bit, and I set the pallet up next to it for tomorrow night. So I'm thinking it's going to take me probably a week to get them from there to their new home. The bees are not happy with me one bit. I did add the extra brood boxes because I had 7 frames full, and in each of them, which is good news. It is hot out. Jeez, oh man. And ratchet strapped them so it's easier to move them. And that's pretty much it. Like I said before, I'm new to beekeeping. Everything that I know, I've researched just this past year, and I am doing my best to keep bees because I want some honey. My girls want some honey. So if you're curious, oh man, I'm telling you, it's hot. If you're curious on how I'm doing this, and if you want to follow along, hit like, hit subscribe. There is a lot more content to be coming. Bee wise and, homesteading wise. I have a lot of projects I need to get caught up on. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Have a good night.